My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2021 Vauxhall Corsa. This vehicle was done just under 42,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the screen, using the buttons just below, we can get quick access to radio, navigation, smartphone integration, Apple and Android CarPlay, and driving functions. Just below we have our heated seats and AC. As we go into the back, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.